Okay, Aquarius. Jupiter and Saturn are both in your Aquarii center. That means you have yes and you have no. Jupiter yes, Saturn no. This is what you're trying to balance with this full moon, is the energy of yes and the energy of no. The energy of abundance and gluttony and luck and rooted and like storytelling and laws and also at the same time you're trying to figure out Saturn in terms of boundaries and no and restriction and containers and earth and time and drudgery. Boo! It's a lot. It's a lot. Intro. Oh, trigger warning, if you don't like sweat, this is not your video. It is 4 pum on the Maui, and I'm a hot mess. However, I mean, just look at this. I am so excited to film these full moon videos here on the Mauis. There's a lot of really fun things going on with this full moon. The degree of the sun and the moon are at 8. The sun has Chiron and Venus, right? Also at 8 degrees next to it. This is big. This is healing. This is value. This is focus. It's Aries and Libra, so we're saying I am balanced with my feelings, balanced with the moon, balanced with reverence, balanced with air, life, relationships. I am maintaining my individuality. So with that said, enjoy, and you're welcome. Here's the thing. You've already exalted your inner healer. You've already exalted your intuitive master who knows how to do this. Or you've identified that person that can help you. You are not alone. You are not left to your own, abandoned, left to your own defenses to try and figure out how you balance the yes and the no. Ooh, heart of the matter is addictions. Then we have the Ace of Swords. Then we have the Six of Swords. Then we have the Father of Pentacles. Okay. Addictions. Don't let fear stop you from exploring yes and exploring no. Part of understanding balance is saying, I am going to feed. I am going to really sit. I'm going to fully understand the energy of yes and fully understand the energy of no in order to figure out how they dance with each other. Don't let fear stop you from doing that. Don't let your addiction stop you from doing that. Exalt the journey. Breathe in a new way. Think about a new way to dance with your intuition. Where are they both? The Infinity 8. The Infinity 8 is at the sun and the moon. Hello! The sun and the moon and Venus and Chiron are all at the 8th degree. Infinity 8. Patterns. You've done it before. You'll do it again. The center is balance. This is truly saying yes to your intuition. Step out, consciously step out of your way for this full moon ritual that you do and say yes to intuiting how to say yes and how to say no. What will happen is the sun will shine, fire will start, you will ignite the rainbow. I'm shaking with the beauty of this. You will become a light, you will radiate correctness, you will be the rainbow. And you will be able to wear the lessons learned, wear what you learn about balancing yes and no as your crown, and walk through the public square saying, boom. Boom, ba-dum, boom. Boom, boom. Look at this. Look at this. This is exalting groundedness. Exalting earth energy, exalting the masculine side of facilitation. This is fully saying, Aries, air, fire, What is earth element? Femininity. You have to listen in order to get there. You have to receive the message. You have to receive the yes, receive the no in order to facilitate this. It's found within, upside down, upside down. Your light is found within. Ooh. You also need to watch the Sagittarius and the Capricorn one because of Saturn and Jupiter in Aquarius. So, watch those two. Ooh. 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 These are, I love this. Go. Bye. Okay. We did it. I love filming these videos. They're so fun. So, if you want to go on a journey, watch the Libra through Pisces. What came up was pretty profoundly magical. I had a great time. Here's the other thing that I want to say. In order to understand balance, you have to know what you're trying to balance. You have to surrender to A in order to understand how it affects B. Then you have to surrender to B in order to understand how it affects A. You can't balance things that you don't know what they are. Libra is the scales, right? You have two bags. You want to find the balance between these. I have something in this one. There's nothing in this one. Therefore, what do I need to put in this one in order to make it balance this? You have to open it up. Well, what is in here? Okay, this is a boop boop and a boop boop and a bop bop. Okay, what do I need to put in this one then? This is a boop boop, this needs a bop bop and a biddle a diddle. Then you say, okay, now I understand how to balance these two things. Open up your subconscious, this moon. Open up your feminine center. Open up your receiving center. And say, I want to know what is in here so that I can... Hello! I want to know what is in here so that I can then balance myself. I want to know what is in here so that I can understand value, so that I can understand healing, so that I can understand reverence, beauty, and love. The Patreon exploration was stunning. It is live. Patreon, Sensible Paul. No dollar amount. Go on over there, sign up. I'm going to put so many videos of Maui check-ins. So go there. Also, hashtag sun sign. What sign are we in? What season are we in? Aries. So I'm doing a year project. 12 workshops, one for each season. Each workshop will be filmed with people of that sun, moon, or rising placement sign. So we filmed the Aries one. It's available on my website. Go check it out. It's a really good exploration. And it's so fascinating to put people who are all Aries in the same room and be like, oh, personalities. Yes, I love it. It's fascinating. If you have any Aries placement, if you just want to understand the season, this is for you. Also, on the 11th of April, I'm doing an 11 workshop. 11 is the master number of Portal, of the Master Intuitive. If you want help understanding your intuition and mastering your intuition, then this would be a great workshop for you. This workshop is going to happen 11 times this year. Yes, I'm doing a total of 23 workshops this year. This is, y'all, have fun. This is a great time. A great, 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 beautiful, beautiful, beautiful time. And I'm here for you. I'm here for you, and I love you. If you want also another adventure, go check out the website, paulflanagan.com. Kyle Anderson built it from scratch, hashtag code, and he did amazing. Tia Peterson helped, and I could not be more grateful for the two of them. So go check that out. paulflanga.com. That's also where you get all the things. All the links, all the things. Blessings.